Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we are in the office and we are talking automotive recalls. Before we get started, if you don't mind looking down there in the corner or down there above the description and hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing to the channel doesn't cost you anything, but it does help a small channel out. And at the end of the video, hit the notification bell. You'll know when I'm posting new content, and a thumbs up is always appreciated. So as we know, all manufacturers are not immune from recalls, and a lot of people always poo-poo American cars, saying that Toyota, Honda, and everybody are the best. But to be honest with you, they are really good, but they are not immune. So today, Honda has issued a recall for 205,760 vehicles. Now, this recall is due to a fuel filler neck tube and fuel filler pipe possibly separating, allowing fuel to leak. And we all know what that can mean. A fuel leak in the presence of ignition source could increase the risk of fire. Now, NHTSA and Honda have worked together to issue this report. Now, you're going to want to know what vehicles are affected. This recall is for 2023 to 2024 Honda Passport, Honda 2023 to 25 Honda Pilots. And what will happen is the dealers will inspect it and repair or replace the filler tube and neck assembly free of charge. As you guys don't know or may know, all safety recalls are free to be replaced and corrected by the manufacturer if you're the first owner or the 14th owner. So it is always good to do that. Now, you probably want to know, is your vehicle affected? Well, down below I'm going to put the NHTSA website, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's website link. Just grab your VIN, click that link, head over there. It is safe to put your information in. It'll let you know if your vehicle is affected by this recall or many others. Now, if you want to know when Honda's going to let you know, the mailed letters will start coming out January 6th of 2025. You can also contact Honda customer service. I will put their number down below, and the recall is OKM. O is in ocean, K is in king, and M is in Mary. You can also go to the NHTSA Safety Hotline and use their number to check on that, and I will also put that down in the description. Now, these recalls don't mean that the cars are garbage or anything like that. I'm not beseeching any of the manufacturers, but when it comes to safety, guys, I'm going to put this information out as soon as I learn of it, just in case you don't follow the news and you don't want to wait till January 6th to see if your car could catch fire. But it is something that you can keep in mind when I put this information out there, is to kind of put a feeler out on your vehicle. Go out there and smell gas. Do you see gas coming out from the filler tube while you're fueling it at the fuel station? All of this information is always meant to make sure you guys are safe out there. Again, as always, guys, I appreciate you guys being here. So again, smash that subscribe for me, help a small channel out, and we'll catch you on the next one.